These are my competition style baked beans. Keto version. I'm using black soybeans today. There's only 4 carbs in 1 serving, and I've got 8 servings in there. That look good? Let's make it. I've converted my competition baked beans into a healthy keto version. We're going to be using black soybeans. There's virtually no carbs in it. There's 8 carbs minus 7 fibers, which is 1 net carb per half cup. That's really good. And I actually buy them in the dried form and reconstitute them and pressure cook them, or you can go with black soybeans in a can, like this, organic ones. I've got a pan preheating here, and I'm going to take about 1/3 of a pound, about three to 5 or 6 slices of thick cut bacon. While I'm letting this cook, these black beans, you take 1 cup of the dried black beans and you put them into a measuring cup and you cover them with about 4 cups of water. And you soak them overnight to reconstitute them and make them swell. Then you pressure cook them for 20 minutes and till they're nice and soft. We'll put them in the bowl. Now you can do these baked beans on a grill. You can do them in the smoker. You can do them in the oven, but I'm going to do them on the grill today. I'm going to add a little bit of smoke in that way. Oh, it smells really good. I like the color on that bacon. I'm going to add it into the beans now. I'm going to save that bacon fat to cook the vegetables in. There we go. I've got a small onion, kind of quartered into little chunks like that. Very small. Onions can be kind of carby, so I really don't put that much in, but it really adds the flavor, and you want to chunk it like that. And I've got some green pepper. You can use red or orange pepper, just a small little bit. A cubanelle from the garden, from the Global Bucket. I'm going to do a video on the Global Bucket and how to grow your own vegetables. And a small jalapeno from the Global Bucket. Just going to put a little bit of color into this. The recipe for this is down below in the comments. As I mentioned, we'd serve this in competition as a side. It's just a keto version. So the carbs in this will be about 4 carbs per serving. This is going to make 8 servings. Now for the sauce today, I'm going to use Guy Fieri's sugar-free barbecue sauce. It says award-winning on it. That's good enough for me. And the other sauces that I like to use are G Hughs sugar-free maple brown and G Hughs sugar-free sweet chili. We're going to put a 1/2 cup in. This has 2 carbs per tablespoon. So I'll put a 1/2 cup. There's a good 1/2 cup. It's a good sauce. You get that on Amazon. I like to cook the vegetables probably about 60 to 80%. That's good for me. That's nice color. That's cooked probably about 80% right now. I'm going to sneak that bacon fat in there too. Mix it all up. There you go, we got it all in. So everything's cooked. We just have to meld the flavors and get a little bit of smoke into it. Looks good. Okay, I'm going indirect at about 300 degrees for about an hour. So put that in. And I'm going to throw a smoke box in. Those are just hickory pellets in there. That'll add a little bit of smoke into it. I'll let that go, and I'll see you in an hour. Well, my competition style keto beans worked out really, really well. I went for 50 minutes in total, and I got about 40 minutes of really good smoke into it, and then I covered it with tin foil in the last 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at that. It smells great. Yep, they're just nicely heated through. The bacon's kind of caramelized and smoky. Look at that. Black soybeans. That's my competition style Keto Baked Beans. Thanks for watching.